Hey, this is Daniel's son. Welcome back to the channel, and we're back with my 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now, in the previous video, we decided to go ahead and replace a crankshaft position sensor based on some of your guys' suggestions and also from Identifix. Honestly, I should have just looked at it. It could have saved me 6 months and even money, okay? But I didn't, so unfortunately, But now, so I haven't driven the car enough to know if it's actually fixed, but tomorrow is gonna be the true test, okay? So I'm gonna be driving down to Wichita. It's about a 30, 40 mile trip. And usually that's when it acts up the most. So I'll know then if it's repaired. Now, before we continue with the video, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe, like the video, share it if you want to. And honestly, you guys have been crushing it. It's been awesome. So thank you so much. So yeah, getting back to this thing, we got more stuff to do on it. Okay, so this thing has a horrendous noise coming from the front end. Okay, so anytime I'm going over bumps, turning around, just doing hard turns, maybe in the parking lot, it just sounds like an old mattress. Now, I did put this car on the lift and decided to check the control arm bushings, and the control arm bushings are worn out, so I got some new control arms, and I also decided to get some sway bar bushings and sway bar links. Okay, they are not worn out, but they kind of, they usually make noise sometimes. It's just, they're cheap. I decided to get them. Just go ahead and replace them. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now, I also have to order some coolant hoses. In the other video, we saw that we had some leaks, and we want to take care of those because it's actually actively leaking because I've lost a fair amount of coolant in the reservoir. Now, I want to show you guys the noise here real quick, so let's go for it. Okay, so right there, it wasn't as prevalent as usual, but whatever you heard there, amplify by 20 when you're driving, when you're going around corners and going, right here when we leave Omega Auto Clinic, there's a slight hill to get out of the parking lot, and that's when it makes a lot of noise, especially when it's been sitting out there for the longest, and it's just really annoying. Now, I'm hoping that today replacing those parts is going to take care of the noise, and we're going to have, because it actually rides fairly smoothly for being an SUV with like just springs or whatever, nothing fancy. It rides pretty smoothly, okay? You'll be doing 80, maybe 85, and this thing is just, you can't even feel it. So I'm hoping that it'll take care of that noise so I don't have to hear it anymore, okay? So let's get to it. Okay, so I don't know if you guys noticed in the intro, but it was pretty apparent. I was watching it back, just watching the playback, and I saw that there's a big nail. Yes, and it is a nail, it's not a rock. So that's kind of unfortunate. But whatever, let's keep going. Okay, so let's see if we can hear this noise a little better now that we got it on the lift. Okay, so you can definitely hear that. I can even see the bushing moving around. Let's see on the driver's side. Yeah, driver's side is quiet. Now, obviously, you replace them in pairs, so we're just going to go ahead and replace them both, okay? So let me show you what we got. Okay, so we got two brand new control arms, okay? They look fairly good quality, they look like good quality, so we'll see. But yeah, the reviews were great, so I think this will take care of our problem. The other thing we got is some sway bar bushings and some sway bar links. Again, these weren't terrible, but just go ahead and replace them. I think these were like 25 bucks total, and they had good reviews, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them. Might as well. Okay, so I'm gonna get my apron on. If I can put it on right. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we are definitely ready to start cooking by the book. Okay, so this is our culprit right here. I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah, that's definitely what was causing the noise. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video right here, and as you saw, it was not hard at all. It was also very cheap since I did the labor myself. All the parts in this video that I used were right around $100. So those lower control arms and all that stuff, plus obviously, we have the comforts of the shop. Now, I still have to test drive the vehicle. I haven't done that yet. I will be updating on a short or maybe the following video for this car, which I'm going to be doing some coolant hoses and stuff like that. But also on this test drive, I'm going to confirm that the crankshaft position sensor has repaired our lit mode fault, because that's the biggest fault that I have. Now, like I said, I still have to do some coolant hoses. I still have to replace a speaker on the passenger side door, and I'll be making videos accordingly, right? And then I'll be buying some detail stuff to get the car clean inside and out, you know, make this paint pop. We do have some buffers and stuff like that. Maybe I'll learn how to do it in a panel or something. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna try to do that stuff myself. Also, I kind of like learning new skills that, you know, I haven't done before, and this is a good excuse to just go ahead and do that. Now, I really appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and then share with anybody who might be interested in this stuff. Also, you know that I still have my links for Instagram and Twitter on the bottom. If you guys are interested in following me there, that'd be great. I'm gonna do some updates there as well. And again, thank you guys for watching.